Hey everybody, Tom here, and in this video we'll be going over the top 5 reasons why your string trimmer might be leaking gas. For each problem, we'll provide links in the description to videos that will help walk you through the repair process. Now let's get this started. Problem number 1, fuel filters. Fuel filters are used to screen out debris in the fuel. It's important to check the filter for damage, cracks, or clogging. If there are any indications of a leak, you must replace the filter. Problem number 2, primer bulbs. Primer bulbs draw fuel into the carburetor. If they're damaged or leaking, they can't do their job properly. Check them over for damage and replace if necessary. Problem number 3, gas cap. Leaks can be caused by a crack in the gas cap due to vibration, or the issue can be isolated to a worn out O-ring. The gas cap can be replaced with a new one of the exact same size. Problem number 4, grommets. The grommets provide a seal for fuel and vent lines that enter the fuel tank. Over time, the fuel will break down the rubber, causing damage. If you notice a leak or feel dampness around the grommet, replace it. Problem number 5, fuel lines. Fuel lines deliver the fuel from the tank to the carburetor. Old, weathered, and cracked fuel lines will leak and should be replaced immediately. Fuel lines are easily inspected and replaced as they are exposed on the trimmer. Thanks for watching. Remember to check out our full repair videos for each of these problems in the video description, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them for us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos to help you finish the job.